A startup just raised $136 million to replace Slack with an AI that thinks, talks, and executes with your entire team at once. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald.
This is Friday, July 10th, 2026. In AI News today, PromptQL just relaunched as a multiplayer AI coworker and raised $136 million to back it up. Think Claude or ChatGPT, but your whole team shares the same threads and the same brain. Conversations don't just get answered, they get executed. It's a direct shot at Slack, and the internet noticed. Over 2 million views on launch. Also from Anthropic, researchers just found that Claude has a hidden internal thinking space they're calling a global workspace. It mirrors how the human brain processes information consciously, and here's the wild part. It doesn't show up in Claude's chain of thought output at all. That means there's reasoning happening that you simply cannot see. And that's a big deal for AI safety. In AI news from China, Meituan just open-sourced Longcat 2.0, a 1.6 trillion parameter foundation model. And Tencent isn't far behind. The real headline isn't the scale, it's how they built it. No NVIDIA GPUs required. That's a direct challenge to the West's assumption that cutting off chip exports slows China's AI progress. Spoiler, it doesn't seem to be working. Also from OpenAI, the company just launched GPT-Live, a brand new family of voice models that can listen and speak at exactly the same time, not taking turns, simultaneously. That means you can interrupt it, talk over it, and have a conversation that actually feels human. This is a separate product from GPT-5. OpenAI is clearly building a full stack for real-time voice AI. In robotics AI, RobbyAnt just dropped LingBot-World 2, and it does something genuinely strange. It generates video frames in real time without any 3D engine at all. Instead of rendering a virtual world the traditional way, the AI imagines every frame on the fly. It's not just a video, it's a live, playable simulator that can actually control robots in closed loop. Embodied AI just got a lot more interesting. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about multiplayer AI replacing team collaboration tools in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.